Tehran is in total shock as 7,000 elite U.S. Rangers and 82nd Airborne troops surge into the Persian Gulf. America deploys overwhelming force as Rangers and Airborne divisions rush forward in dramatic daylight preparation. Tensions with Iran have escalated rapidly, forcing the United States to position its most elite ground forces.
Deploy the Special Forces teams to the forward bases immediately. Yes, sir. I'll coordinate the logistics now.
7,000 battle-hardened Rangers and Airborne soldiers answer the call for immediate deployment to the region. Rangers and 82nd Airborne troops prepare their gear with focused precision during the urgent transit. Hundreds of elite troops board assault ships loading vehicles with disciplined speed and determination. Marines and airborne forces conduct rapid systems checks while maintaining perfect formation on deck. Amphibious combat vehicles roll into position as Rangers secure every critical piece of equipment. 7,000 elite American forces reach peak combat readiness in the heart of the Persian Gulf. Rangers and airborne soldiers stand shoulder to shoulder, showing unbreakable American military strength. Every soldier focused and ready as the full power of 7,000 elite troops is displayed. Troops continue rapid deck movements, securing all positions with professional precision and speed. Amphibious vehicles are positioned perfectly as Rangers complete final equipment verifications. The scale of this deployment sends a clear message to Tehran and the entire region. Under golden sunlight, these warriors prepare to defend American interests with total commitment. America demonstrates its unmatched ability to project power anywhere in the world instantly. This massive show of force ensures stability and sends shockwaves across Tehran today. The United States military stands vigilant and ready under the bright skies of the Persian Gulf. Seven 7,000 elite forces complete their deployment, proving American resolve remains unbreakable. Shockwaves hit Tehran as 7,000 U.S. Rangers and 82nd Airborne troops deploy in force. Elite American forces launch massive daylight operations, sending clear warning to Iranian regime. Rapid escalation in the region forces United States to mobilize its premier combat units immediately.
Gentlemen, dawn strike is confirmed. We're deploying to the Iranian theater. Rangers and airborne.
Crowds of highly trained Rangers and airborne soldiers prepare for swift deployment orders. Assault ships cut through bright waters, carrying elite forces towards strategic positions.
Check your ammo pouches, Rangers. Double time.
Soldiers perform detailed gear inspections, ensuring everything is combat ready in minutes.
Roger that. Mag secured. Check the straps. Report ready. Boarding vessels, loading ACVs. Maintain pace. ACV secured. Move into position. Troops boarding. ACV loading complete. Deployment near Iran. Stay alert.
Elite forces maintain strict formation while executing critical deck operations flawlessly. Rangers secure amphibious vehicles as the entire force prepares for any contingency.
Move! Equipment locked down, sir!
7,000 elite troops now stand fully mobilized, demonstrating unmatched U.S. power projection. Peak readiness achieved as Rangers and airborne forces lock down every position on deck. Thousands of elite American soldiers present an overwhelming display of military strength. Troops execute final deck movements with speed, discipline, and absolute professionalism.
Fine dog check! Swept ponds hot! Ready on the way. Men up! Move out! Affirmative! On your lead!
This deployment scale sends unmistakable signal throughout the entire Middle East region. Elite warriors focus completely while maintaining highest level of operational readiness. The United States proves once again its ability to project decisive power when needed. Tehran receives clear message from this massive daylight show of American military might. American forces remain vigilant and strong under the bright skies of the Persian Gulf. 7,000 elite troops successfully deployed, proving United States resolve is absolute. Tehran reels in shock from the arrival of 7,000 U.S. Rangers and 82nd Airborne troops. Massive U.S. elite force deployment unfolds in bright daylight, sending tremors across Tehran. Escalating tensions force America to position its top special operations and airborne units.
Gentlemen, we must deploy the teams immediately. Yes, sir. Coordinates are locked. Airborne is ready on your mark. 7,000 highly trained Rangers and airborne soldiers mobilized for immediate action.
Powerful assault ships advance through Persian Gulf waters under clear, sunny skies. Elite troops carefully check and secure all weapon systems during the tense transit. Hundreds of determined soldiers board vessels and load vehicles with expert efficiency. Rangers and airborne units maintain disciplined formation throughout intense deck activity. Heavy equipment is secured as the full force prepares for potential regional challenges. 7,000 elite U.S. forces now stand at maximum readiness in the Persian Gulf. Elite Rangers and airborne soldiers hold unbreakable positions under bright Persian Gulf sun. This overwhelming display of American power creates immediate shock in Tehran today. Troops continue urgent deck operations with speed, focus, and total discipline. Amphibious vehicles stand fully loaded as final checks are completed by elite teams. The sheer scale of this force sends a powerful message across the Middle East. Soldiers remain completely focused while preparing under harsh, bright desert sunlight.
America demonstrates its unmatched capability to deploy decisive force anywhere instantly.
This daylight operation delivers a strong shock and warning directly to Tehran. United States military stands strong, vigilant, and ready in the heart of the Gulf. "7,000 elite forces complete their mission, proving American strength is unmatched." Tehran shocked as 7,000 U.S. Rangers and 82nd Airborne surge into the Gulf. Elite American troops deploy in overwhelming numbers under bright daylight skies. Rising tensions with Iran trigger immediate mobilization of premier U.S. ground forces. "7,000 battle-ready Rangers and airborne soldiers answer the urgent call." Assault ships push forward through clear Persian Gulf waters carrying elite warriors. Rangers and airborne troops conduct precise equipment checks in intense sunlight.
Gear secured, systems green. Comms check, all stations report. Affirmative, all green.
Hundreds of elite soldiers board vessels while loading ACVs with disciplined speed. Troops maintain perfect formation during rapid deck activity and preparations. Amphibious combat vehicles are positioned and secured by focused Ranger teams. "7,000 elite American forces reach full combat readiness in the Gulf."